My client and Abronye sisi our hen.
Currently, Sameno Kasana meeting as a support. Actually, was my client no or she happy and also she happy Nameboa.
All right, I was young. I'm sure we be in no go artists. Got some TV. Best subscribe to the channel. No, no, for one drink your bra or comment session. Every observe for Yamisha Bibia. Say, yen in a say, Yachi, Abronye NDC, Chairman Abronye, Yachine and Dra. Ebusia. Up to now, many will say the lawyers no, Omunim Bibia, Yedi Abronye ko. Sisia Menu Casano. Nobody, the family member, will be a name Bibia Abronye wo, Sisia. My question is, are we living in a jungle? And I said, then, what are we doing? Is this how John Dramani Mahama want to rule the country? Which will be our lawyers, our friendly lawyer for up to now, you people refuse to disclose baby in the panel call. And then just because we're criticizing more any IGP. Because of that, watching the panel, and nobody know baby or bia. And then share this thing should give us a lesson. Yeah, NPP for no. This thing should serve us as a lesson. Say the power, mamma. NDC is trying to show you how to use power. NDC is trying to show you people how to use power because you people couldn't use the power well. And I know that NDC for HRMONO say use this is how to use power. Move power na munya ene mudia ye ena adafofo ena ye gina ye bako. They be NDC people didn't see you like that. NDC for omu ubusa. Because the fina NDC for you ukromo against na do kwa kufa no anka anka na no ntumu NDC Bahama anka by this time ukofa ye mechi omu
My client and Abronye sisi our hen.
Currently, Sameno Kasana meeting as a support. Actually, was my client no or she happy and also she happy Nameboa. Na near matches and say a 2 hour could be an IB ho. No Kasi ma concha home. Our NIB offices 3, Nua, 37, and national head office Nankasa. Minya official community dia say Abronye ewo or Makati.
In the essential, and as we speak, undim baby our clients never.
For official records, authoritatively, minim baby my clients never. Because investigator or no any case in any mono. After say or we interrogate you, yeah, I'll call you. After say or interrogate you, yeah, what interrogation room for my name a client. Investigator never catch you say or a different office down there. So, CID head office or now. I think it's about 6 floors. Here was 6th floor. And on the they need us in one of the offices down there. You do ground floor on Sana car you ready. Omode my client no equal room. And investigator no involved no. Needing the I think Wayazi, yes. I'll catch me say Omode my client no call NID. Made me phone and then my client in the phone no Emma me CID friend be because I'm going to interrogation room we can't take our phones there. Me for akwaji phones naba edi card na chi ebru NIB hono. And me see am digital we make say me who the worry about of my client.
Exactly. Of course akwaji phone naba how buy no motor car ne ko.
Ome to car ne ko me ti o ma chi drew NIB office first NIB office for 37 almost say my client ni ho me call second office or yes my client ni ho me bar national headquarters yes say head of administration catch me say he's unable to confirm whether my client is in their custody and I say uni ho na me say catch me say among them information say almost had the back CID headquarters. Now me baby do no was it. My baby do have almost 3 hours in here. Me home a client, you know. When you saw a Japan, me didn't know how to say
what could do CID headquarters CIA can say?
Me no can say me that's what CID headquarters for about 3 hours.
And our client me
buy you know. Lawyer near who follow protocols there. You still go through the legal channel.
Sure.
Me call lead investigators or your commander so on no my invite no. Your friend of set so set so see you buy no me call in the office. Na me catch you say me client na mo say mo dey na call NIB no. Bang to no ho. Oni ho. After all me call NIB headquarters no so no. Almost say almost had an about CID headquarters. Into my client anyway, let me get access to my clients. And I'll catch them and say, me call investigator. Wayazi. Me call Wayazi, so say the last place would need to jam my client, you know. A call, you know, and I'll do my client call NIB office. Our 37.
Oh, no,
so I later came back to the commander, no, ASS, so on. And I'll not catch them and say, only comment be a mammy be. On that, I can't actually me. Also, only comment to be a mammy.
But the other investigator no was specific, say 37 NIB on more than a call. And I'm not only ho. But throughout more time at the CID headquarters, I no pay. I no more questioning that you were with him.
24/7. Me ne buy. Ya ne buy. O man beti yo.
Yeah, me buy.
Me chairman ne buy. You be through CID headquarters at 10:20 a.m. Yen buy. Ye police ne beti yen. We are abiding citizens. Into my inviter. Ya beba. Ya ne buy. You be through. I say 10:20.
Enti ehono na omuka say what are they investigating him for? Muko CID hono.
So to walk you through a bit, you know. Yeah, buy, you know. Okofa letter be say my client in a Troy and seeking asylum.
Why in a kofa
set so
no, okay.
Yes, on the kofa buy.
Okay.
And will be say more questions. I'm a client in the guardian. I mean, you know, about my invite into the India out there by and a catcher na in Nimujuma. And then twice so. And see of the ball video betraying. And in that video, I think that it is alleged that my client, you know, did
IGP attempt.
Star Bibisa. And I think so criticizes by elections.
Yeah.
Obi threaten the honorable minority leader. And police and your shame for her. So about my client and my client and the guardians or no motion. And officially or arrest, you know. But the cops goodness. Yeah, in your guest, you were more hustling cops now the goodness. And I mean, why? Of the police procedure. And then that's why. So after that, I'm going to go interrogation room or you go train or more. I'm going say there almost an hour. And some mobile. So mobile number be and say Mr. Say video no. Chairman's only more say. I'm busy no bank account ne Juma why whether why Juma or NPP monya contract government no onya contract. Na chairman so no onya contract be a enya contract be am bisa baby a wote a bank and order. We're wondering how it related to it, but I mean it's a legal procedure, so just let it flow. Omobeye no we call no omobeye charges no omobeye no I think them breaching what breaching peace was a and publication of false statement.
And only two charges on the board.
And only 2 charges. I mean, breach of public peace and the
publication
of false statements. Wait. Amodi charge in a Wayazi. There is officer involved in this charge in a buy. I'm a client, a G. I will also explore a statement, you know. and I say you see here or down ho. I did do down ho. Omo boy is actually short no.
Enti in the statement, no? That's a caution statement, right?
Well, if I'm to quote the CID involved, or see he's taking a statement per video no mo ye den, omo boma ye no, and then you watch to ye nimu na o kan share ye no, it's a breach of public peace and the publication of false statements, you know.
Enti o client that throw say onu nim ho hwe, right?
Only also nim ho hwe. One was one team did we IGP atem. On did the IGP be atem.
And you also only the IGP atem.
On did the IGP be atem.
And into the video now you make it rounds, no? They concocted and I say, and yet he doesn't see that to be insult.
I mean, the clients in the car or how they two records on his own new video, even your bedroom has say no, and some of this video near day. And as to say, with me who contact me here and preventing me who contact me here. I mean, it's one thing for a being who's have video no prada.
Moon baby and poda.
What say?
Moon who's have video no baby ada.
I seen you are seeing in a who's have video no.
In the Nippon video, Nimukanyono.
Picture me dear. Pictures and then we are betting for we are picture the IBB. Obi, if you are seeing a baby, I drew Muno. It's an AI word.
Yeah.
It's an AI word.
It's true. And that's just the way cry a bit my Obina create AI creative video be.
Obi a bit me off our sir.
Now, sir, the program is live or
exactly. Anything I make clients and buy no catcher on or so any program on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then Fridays. So it's just a matter of public record. And this is what I'm going verify. One, and
from the live video, no, you mean? From the example, the live, the video on his page.
Wait, my confirm me. The idea is as to whether Obaka confirm you, Uncle confirm you. Let's follow due process.
Yeah, but I was even thinking, sir, if the content of the video, because some more publication of false news, as you said, publication of false news will be which one? And on almost here, there ain't a constituted publication of false news now. And there ain't soon a year insult, the alleged insult. Because insult alone no may not be criminal. Into which content of the tape and grounded the two charges now. They are born. I'm catch them.
Debbie. And if we are following the conversation now, I'm mobile video nature area, you know. And I'm charge every day. So, I mean, we just responded, say, almost based on the video they played, breach of public peace, and then publication of false statements. And then Chairman just wrote on also, I mean, the side of the story. So as to say, I have say, and now we in so we say, I have say, some way I will say, and the indigenous why you say, no, there be, no, yeah, and specify the BS and your day. Yes. I think they are buying, set so, no, you're buying now or receive here, I mean, after former encounter, no,
yes.
I mean, I would say in his official capacity. Or receive a fine as choir police in India fast wire Nejuma. But later, I think later now, chairman publish here a buy and a home woman and interest more. The
asylum seeking letter, no?
Exactly. It appears any interest.
No, client declined comment on that letter.
Oh, yes. Yeah, my client is no. Client is no.
But were you in the known? And did you draft the letter on behalf of your client? So
no,
asylum letter, no?
No, sir. My client na my client na
Inti no so far onya response be from the respective embassies or copy on own.
Oloye ni kasawa mra yamane instructions. I was someone obetimi aka ho.
That's true.
Wadaroma obi samene wo kase me need instructions be to
on that letter.
Comment on those.
That's fine.
Requests now make it one a letter anymore. In the Wadaroma with you and fame
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I mean I me busai in connection with the question be am person me busa say because in that letter, the letter seeking asylum he makes a point say he was called by somebody from the police headquarters say omrano muhiano to question him on why he insulted the IGP. In the call before Sewono, the Sewono stress on that point say I don't know the IGP attempt.
Exactly. Officer now say a friend or no.
Yeah.
Someone na. Oh. Someone na.
Oh. Okay.
Someone na so funny then. I mean, even before this, I think they invited about from last week as the letter indicates, The lawyers, your trouble, we director IGP or no. And we have to engage someone's office. And on one, I was there personally with him. What's on the letter? But of course. No, I'm reporting what happened, and I was the counsel who took the letter to him, and I wanted to do this personally because of the. I mean, near way no more. I bet in your battery over small clock, or the call you and found kwa woo. Timianga some the call. Oh, the letter not had the dear mammy. Earlier before the corner office, I'm in Akasa, and the no already know, and I make us say. Even notwithstanding that,